Hi friends, welcome to A&S of Technologies. This is Vijay. Today we are going to starting a new topic, that is off-page optimization. And previously we have discussed about lot of on-page optimization techniques, and today we are going to start about a new topic, off-page optimization. So in the on-page optimization we had concentrated on HTML coding of the website. So on-page optimization concentrate on HTML coding of the website, whereas off-page optimization concentrate on outside of the website. So both on-page optimization and off-page optimization are mandatory for a website to be ranked on the top 10 websites of a search engine results page. So on-page optimization work is 10%, whereas off-page optimization work is 90%. If if that is a 100% work, if you are doing 100% work, 10% goes to on-page and 90% goes to off-page optimization. So off-page optimization is very important and mandatory, and we have to work a lot for on off-page optimization. Off-page optimization, on-page optimization we will work up to creating a web page and working. It will take some time, 2 to 3 days, but off-page optimization we have to work on up to 3 to 6 months based on the time, results, based on the results. So 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 we are going to discussing about off page optimization techniques. So the first we have to learn about backlink. In off page optimization, everything is link building. The major important theme is link building. So link building means increasing the number of for example, quality inbound links to your website. So I'm just telling you, means for example, if you have a restaurant and you are running very good. I mean, you started newly, and for example, your maintaining is very good, and for a restaurant, mouth stock is good. Means if the items are good and people will, for example, based on the mouth talk only, based on the publicity only, if the restaurant is good, if the people will come and eat. So same as like that, for a website for a website for a website, outside link, such as for example, if you have a website, someone is linking to your website, such as like, for example, someone is linking to your website, that is, this website is good. So a number of links, more number of links links to more number of links come to your website, that this website is good. So that is the marketing we have to do. So we have to generate large number of inbound links to your website. So that is link building. So what you are so link building means increasing the number of inbound links to your website. For example, so before going to the inbound links, we are going to telling about a backlink. Previously we have discussed about a backlink. So backlink is same as like this one, starting with a href is equal to website name and the text name and the closure of the link. So backlink and the link is same, but I'm just giving a brief discussion if someone has missed the session. There are two type of backlinks. One is do follow link and one is no follow link. So what is the difference between do follow and no follow? So do follow links are links which allow the search engine and the users to follow that link. Use search engine and the users to follow them. Do follow links means, for example, it means search engine bots can index the links if they find do follow tags with your links. The structure of this do follow is a href is equal to web page url reference is equal to do follow keyword. That is the keyword. So I will give you an example of do follow, and you could understand very. So do follow links, the difference between do follow and no follow is search engine ranks will go through the link, or search engine robots or bots, and the users go to that link or process to the link very easily, I mean process to the link very easily. And so for example software, so I'm just giving an example of what is a do following and what is a no following. See, these for example you are seeing, this is a do follow link. How I am telling this is, for example if you click on this one, if you click on this one we will go to that, reported that website, we will go to that website or we will go to that link, or computer systems we will go to that link. So how can we say that this is a do follow or no follow? Just here click right side and inspect. So you will see a href is equal to so title equal to software, wiki software description class equal to some title equal to. So this is the do follow link. See, there is no, for example if there is a reference is equal to do follow, if there is not, if there is not there, so don't confuse about that. If there is, if this symbol is not also there, that is also a do follow link. See, that is also a do follow link. So they did not give this symbol or inspect. See, title equal to ahr equal to information, title equal to information. Or for example if we go down and application software inspect, title equal, this is also a, for example a hr equal to something, title equal to application software, so this is the keyword and this is the title and this is the one. So how can we, these are the do follow links. And here you will see, and the search engines and the users will go through that link, that is a do follow thing. This means search engines bot can index the links if they find do follow links, and I means search engine, search engines index that link, do follow link. And for example I am going to giving such as like what is the, I'm just see, this is all no follow links. See, here you will see these are the no follow link. See, inspect. See, here you will see a rel equal to no follow, class is equal to external text, href is equal to, this is the link, computer construction. So what is the difference between no follow and do follow? Do follow and no follow, the link is the same, but see, this is the tag. If there is not, so rel equal to no follow, here by using this no follow we are telling to the search engine bots or bots, don't follow the link, don't follow the link. If there is a, if there is a symbol like rel equal to do follow, by using this symbol, if that symbol is also not there, if the symbol is also not there, that is a do follow link. So we are telling the search engine bots process process to that website or go to that website, that is the major difference. So search engine bots see that, see in the links, in the ahref links, if there is a do follow or no follow, if rel equal to no follow, they did not index or they did not go to that page. So you guys understand, right? So the difference between no follow, do follow and do follow, no follow is the same. So no follow links are the links which does not allow the search engines bot to index the links. It means search engine bots cannot the index your links if they find do follow tags, no follow tags. So use in the no follow links, users can process to that link, users can go to that link. For example if you click on, if I am the using this Wikipedia, I'm just clicking here as a user, by using the reference I can go to that link. But a search engine, as a search engine or a bots, search engine bots will not go to that link, will not process the link, just ignore, the link. So for on page optimization of for off page optimization, requiring the knowledge these the knowledge of do follow links and no follow links are mandatory. So for example, having more number of do follow links will improve your site, will improve the site ranking. So that is the difference between backlinking, do follow link and no follow link. So you guys understood about do follow and no follow, right? So as a summary, I'm just telling do follow links and no follow links are the same, but do follow links search engine process to the link, search engine and users process to the link, and search engines index the link, whereas no follow link only users or people will process the link, and uh, bots, search engine, Google search engine will not just ignore that link. By using do follow and no follow has the same attribute, ahref is equal to ref is equal to do follow. If there is a attribute is rel equal to do follow, that is do follow link. If there is no attribute, that is also a do follow link. But if ref equal to no follow, that is a no follow link. And for a no follow link, ref is equal to no follow should be mandatory, because that is mandatory because uh, if there is rel equal to no follow link is not there, if this attribute is not there, that is a do follow link. So you guys understood, right? So thank you guys. And next we are going to discussing about developing backlinks for your website. These are the things, these are the ways to developing backlinks for your website: directory submissions, article submissions, press releases, social bookmarking, blog commenting, forum discussion and profile creations. So in the next sessions, I will discuss you about all the things. Thank you guys. Thank you.